Hey guys! In today's video, I will show you how to undo merge contacts on iPhone. So if you accidentally merge contacts on your iPhone and you want to undo the action, then this is the video for you. So here we can see I have merged them, but there is no option to undo them. Even if you open the contact and scroll down, there will be no option. There is also no option on the edit option. What we can do is let's go to the settings. Now flick down to reveal the search bar. Search for shake and look for shake to undo. We can see here the option is turned off. Toggle this on and let's go back to the contacts. Now if we accidentally merge here, if we shake the phone, we will see here a pop-up. Just click on undo and the contacts will be unmerged. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.